So 10 by 10, diamond shape, top corner to the bottom corner, make your triangle, top edge, go straight down, matching up these two top and bottom factory edges. Okay, top left, I'm going to come right over, again about at 1/2 inch over top. You should have this lined up as well. Okay, so that would be the gerbera if we were stopping, but we're going to pinch it from here to the center. Pinch. From here to the center, a pinch. Slide it to the middle. Take this corner with your finger, just slide it to the middle. This corner with your finger, slide it to the middle. And there we go. Alrighty, look at that. It's a cute petal, right? So if you do red, white, and blue around the character board with a vinyl or something, or you can even do whatever color you want. Let's trim this up. And there we go.